tell you something nobody tells you about. The problem is not you don't make money. The real problem is you don't know how to keep money when it comes your way. I mean, think about it. How many times have you received money and before the week ends, everything is gone? It is not village people at all, and it's not bad luck. You see, the moment money enters your account, your brain starts calculating enjoyment. Let me experience happiness. Let me enjoy myself. Let me buy this for myself. I suffered for it. I deserve it. I know you deserve it. You need to learn how to save. Close your eyes on certain things. Because once you start lavishing your money, my dear, I tell you, you will go back to zero. Real discipline is this. Even when you have money, act like you don't have it. Save first and spend later. If you find this helpful, click the follow button and share.